My name is Matthew Delcourt. My program was Web and Mobile Application Development, and the college is CDI North. Hands-on training in this field was a lot more in-depth because without hands-on training, you're not really learning. You can have all the book knowledge you need, but in this field, it's better to learn by doing. I had two great instructors, one of which was somebody great I could go to ask questions, and the other was somebody who pushed me to not ask questions but to learn on my own. So the instructors were awesome. More hands-on learning with the instructors and more ability to ask the questions I do need. When you do ask the questions, that they can give you examples from their past to help push you in the right direction and say, hey, this is what I went through. This is where it may help you in the situation that you're in now.